How was your weekend?
It was great. When talking about past events, you can say, it was great, or, I had a good time.
Sounds like fun. What did you eat for lunch?
I had a sandwich and some fruit. When talking about meals, you can say, I had a sandwich, or, I ate some fruit.
I am hungry now.
Let's go grab a snack. When suggesting something, you can say, let's go, or, do you want to?
Sure. Where should we go?
How about the new cafe the street? When making suggestions, you can say, how about, or, let's try.
Okay, let's go.
After you. When being polite, you can say, after you, or, please, go ahead.
I will buy you a coffee.
That's very kind of you. When expressing gratitude, you can say, that's kind of you, or, thank you so much.
Let's go.
Lead the way. When giving directions, you can say, lead the way, or, you go first.
Okay, follow me. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and listening to music. When talking about hobbies, you can say, I enjoy, or, I like.
That sounds relaxing. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. When talking about ownership, you can say, I have, or, I own.
Dogs are so cute.
They're great companions. When agreeing with someone, you can say, they are, or, I agree.
I wish I had a pet.
You could adopt one from the shelter. When giving suggestions, you can say, you could, or, why don't you?
That's a good idea. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. When describing the weather, you can say, it's sunny, or, it's warm.
Let's go for a walk later.
I am up for it. When expressing agreement, you can say, I'm up for it, or, sounds good.
I will see you later then.
See you soon. When saying goodbye, you can say, see you soon, or, take care.
How was your day?
It was busy, but good. When describing your day, you can say, it was busy, or, it was good.
Did you have any exciting moments?
Not really, just the usual stuff. When talking about routine events, you can say, just the usual stuff, or, nothing special.
I understand. What are your plans for the weekend?
I am thinking of going hiking. When talking about plans, you can say, I'm thinking of, or, I am planning to.
I prefer staying indoors and watching movies.
That sounds relaxing too. When acknowledging someone's preference, you can say, that sounds relaxing, or, that sounds nice.
Do you cook?
Sometimes, but I am not very good at it. When talking about ability, you can say, I am not very good at, or, I can.
I can teach you some recipes.
That would be great. When expressing appreciation, you can say, that would be great, or, I would appreciate that.
Let's plan a cooking day.
Sure, I am looking forward to it. When expressing anticipation, you can say, I am looking forward to, or, I can't wait for.
Me too. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to Spain and Italy. When talking about past experiences, you can say, I have been to, or, I visited.
Those are beautiful countries.
They were amazing. When expressing agreement, you can say, they were, or, I agree.
I hope to travel there someday.
You should. When giving encouragement, you can say, you should, or, I recommend it.
Thanks, I will start saving up. It was nice chatting with you.
Yeah, it was great getting to know you. When ending a conversation, you can say, it was nice, or, it was great.
Let's talk again soon.
Definitely, I would like that. When expressing agreement, you can say, definitely, or, sure.
Take care.
You too, bye. When saying goodbye, you can say, take care, or, goodbye.